Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a stunning 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Killer car, guys. It's finished in Tuxedo black. I love the silver metallic SS striping. It's got the black vinyl interior. Fun car. I'll tell you, I'm rushing this video a little bit here. The guy's I gave him barely enough time to wipe this thing down, but I know some people have been waiting for me to get this done, and unfortunately I got to leave tomorrow, so I'm not going to be able to shoot it tomorrow. So we haven't prepped it or nothing. We're just gonna kind of wing it here. But very cool car. I will tell you this, my son and I, when we bought this down at a show, I'll tell you, fun car to drive. This is a car that I will tell you will get you in trouble in a hurry. It has a healthy aluminum headed 496 big block underneath the hood, Muncie 4-speed trans, 12 bolt 373 posi, and this car will rock. Fun to drive, but definitely, you know, you gotta want something with some horsepower if you're gonna mess with this car, man. Fun to drive though. We had a blast. We had it in traffic. It's a good car. It's an older frame-off restoration, so you can kind of pick. You're gonna see some touch-up marks that you can kind of nitpick on it, but still very nice. Floorboards are painted body color. It's only got like 2,200 miles on it, I guess, since it's been done. You can tell they replaced the bumpers. It does have the operable cowl hood. They don't have the solenoid hooked up. It's got the hood pins. I love that silver metallic in the striping. I think that's so cool. Very different. Obviously not factory. Tinted glass. Again, slick paint. Good, solid, straight. No, it's a North Carolina car. I think they said they put new quarters on it, if I remember right. Yeah, see, you're gonna see stuff like this. Sorry, man. I'd like to say I'm rushing them a little bit. Ding in the bumper here. It's that new bumper, but I've got a brand new bumper with a brand new pad on the way, so that'll go with the car. You can see, man, this thing is nice and straight down the sides. Those are BF Goodrich Radial T's all the way around it. It's got the 14-inch SS rally wheels on it. By looking at it, it just looks like a stock, you know, super sport. When you fire this thing up, you dump that clutch, this bad boy comes alive right here. That is a good looking car, man. Front disc brakes. You can see it's got slick paint. Again, healthy 496. It's a quick fuel dual feed 4-barrel on it. You can see it's got the K&N filter top air cleaner. It's billet valve covers, Edelbrock intake. Aluminum heads. It's got ceramic headers on it, high flow water pump. It's got the big block aluminum radiator with dual electric fans, all billet pulleys and everything, power steering, power disc brakes. You can see they also got the vacuum canister to help with the brakes. MSD ignition. It's got the 6AL box with a Pro Billet distributor. Wicked cool car, man. Yeah, I can tell you the wipers do work because we got caught in a little bit of rain. If I can see some of the water spots, the guys are kind of missed just wiping on it. And again, you can make this work. You'd have to order the solenoid and stuff, but it will work. Door handles are nice. Door seams are nice and clean. Bucket seats, center console. It's got the tilt with a sport wheel. Headliner looks good. Gauges look good. They don't. It's got a again. It's got a complete aftermarket ignition on it, so I don't think the tach's going to work. 2255 on your odometer. It's got some aftermarket gauges. Delco AM radio. I don't think that was working. I'm trying to think. We drove it. We put some miles on this thing, so I think all the lights and stuff were working. We never actually got out and looked at it. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. It's got 3-inch X-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system on it. It sounds awesome. 12-bolt 373 limited slip with the F41 rear suspension with the box control arms and rear sway. And then it's got that finned aluminum cover on it as well. It's a cool car, man. Like I say, a lot of fun to drive. If you want something with some horsepower, I think you're going to like it. Touch it right there. Seats have definitely been redone. Center console looks good. Hurst shifter in there. That bad boy sounds good. That thing rumbles, boy. Pump gas. Like I say, we had it in traffic and stuff, so the meter gauge works. I know the fuel gauge works. Everything else is down there, but I don't think the alt. I think the alt gauge is still up in the dash. It's holding good oil pressure. Blower motor, I think it worked. Come on. Good oil pressure. Yeah, temp gauge works. I'll have to check that blower motor. Hopefully I'll turn that on. Oh, we got a, I know the horn works. I accidentally bumped it. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us through our Instagram, through our Facebook page, TikTok. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. That little red button there at the bottom, click on that. That way you get an update every time we post a new video. That is coming to our website very soon as well.